Hi guys, I'm here with the unboxing quick review of this Grelife 6-in-1 portable air conditioner. Comes in very small packaging, of course it's not very lightweight. This is pretty heavy stuff, so you can get the remote control and the instructions manual. Then we get some adapters, more adapters, then the expandable hose, even with some small drainage hose. I mean, that's the air hose. On the side we get this adapter for a window or for a door. And because I couldn't find anything to grab it and lift it, it's very heavy, so I put it down on the floor. And now on the front there is a little bit of a handle on the top. By the way, here you can see also the model type. So I grab it on the top down here and pull it out. So this is how it goes. You can see that here, can easily pull it out. Now would be the perfect time to have a little bit of a help, but you can still do it on your own. I would say it's really nice, beautiful. Watch the thing here. And so here we are, and so I'm going to show you the different outlets and inlets. Of course, here on the front we have the outlet for the cool air. We have these shades here which you can use to point the airstream up or straight or down. And there are also vertical flaps inside which you can use to direct the airstream either left or right, or of course straight. So you can point the airstream virtually to any direction you want. Of course, it cannot only cool, it can also heat, but I'm usually talking about using this as an air conditioner. Then on the back we have two openings. Here's the main inlet. Here's where the room air is being sucked in, and then it's compressed, and one part is coming out as heat from this part and the other part is coming out as cool air to the front. So it's pretty much separated. And of course we have to avoid that the hot air is coming back into the room, so that's why we are using this adapter here. And so we can slide this in here from this side, and then we have to attach the main hose. So we have to open the thread here a little bit so it fits into this thread. As far as I can see, we have to rotate counterclockwise to give it a hold. You can see it has already a nice fit, and on the other side we have to do the same. So we attach this part here, push it a little bit inside, rotate it counterclockwise. Now I think it's more or less ready, and then of course we can pull out the whole hose to the length which we need and secure this in the opening of a window. And then we can use this part here. So we put it like that, push it just inside. So imagine you have opened the door or window a little bit here, and that's exactly then fitting here inside. And so you can close the opening also with this part. So you have closed the whole opening, the whole gap, and only this part here will be open here. And so the hot air can stream out easily, and nothing can go in, no animals, no insects, also no hot air from outside. And so when this is attached, we can plug it in. And now we are ready to use it. We have the control panel where we have the full functionality, but we also have the remote control. And so we have the power button. I push here, it will turn on, and it starts automatically into the automatic mode. The automatic mode means you are adjusting just the temperature, and then the machine will decide if it has to cool or heat. That's absolutely awesome. So we can adjust the temperature either here or here up and down. Yeah, I can already feel the cool air. Unfortunately you can't see this, but I can definitely confirm here's very cold air, and on this side it's very hot air, and this would go outside out of the window. So you have it nice and cool inside, really dry, nice, cool. So we have the different modes here. We can switch to the cooling where it will only cool, it will never heat. We can also switch to the drying mode, then we don't even have to use this exhaust. In this moment we just have to attach this draining hose to the back. There's a small opening, small pipe where we can attach it, and then you have to feed it down the drain or into a bucket. And then we can switch to the fan only mode, and then it will never heat, never cool. Just use the fan here. And the next thing is the heating mode. If the temperature is below of what we have set, then it will heat up the room. And then we are in the automatic mode again. We have the different settings for the fan. We can use a stronger fan or a little bit lower fan depending on your needs. And we also have a sleep mode. In the sleep mode it will reduce the fan speed and turn off after 6 hours as far as I know. But there's also a dedicated timer mode which you could use. So I stop this again so you can hear me much better. So everything works really good. It's absolutely awesome. You can easily switch between the different functions. What I have seen here is that the compressor has a 3 minutes automatic shut off. So if you decide to stop the cooling and you want to turn it on again within the next 3 minutes, the compressor won't start to cool. You don't have to be worried when there's no cool air for 3 minutes. Just wait and see, and after 3 minutes it will start again to produce nice cool air. So it's absolutely awesome. Also something to remember, we have this air filter here on this side. If you think the ventilation is a little bit poor or it doesn't produce as much cool air or hot air anymore, then just clean it and push it back here, very easy. There are no filters to buy. For me this makes a really good impression. I would say it's a really small, powerful, but also beautiful device. A really nice design, has all the functions, even much more than I had with the previous model. So for me everything looking good, everything makes a good impression, solid. Even the instructions manual is pretty good. It has really nice solid build. I love that it has the full control here on top and with the remote control. Maybe just one thing to know that's really important for you. The one thing which I miss here a little bit, or could miss depending on where I want to put it, is that it doesn't have like an automatic oscillation here, so it's not moving left and right, something which you have with a lot of normal fans. So it would be nice to have it also here. I mean, of course, again, totally depends on where you're using it. If you want to stay directly in the airstream, maybe this could be very important to have. This rotation, that it's moving left and right and not always pushing the air directly towards you or on the side and just hitting you every couple of seconds. But if you have it in the corner, just want to cool down the room, then this is something which is not needed. Other than that, it has really everything, has these nice wheels, has the grounding, really nice remote control, nice functions. So I can give you a full recommendation, and if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.